hikes here. We went to Arnold Bayou Nature Preserve Center, I believe the name was, on Saturday, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the video that you're going to see coming up after this. There are a lot of pictures. My granddaughter Miss Pebbles made a clip of us walking down the trail, and it's pretty interesting. It's pretty good. I'm going to include that. And Mr. Boulder took quite a few pictures that were pretty good, and those are going to be in here. So it's going to be my pictures, his pictures, my video clips, and Miss Pebbles' video clips. And we did see a lot of water. We walked through fields, and we went to like three or four of these tower things and took videos there. Anyways, it's really interesting. We saw a lot of different things. We saw a lot of snakes and turtles. There were giant bullfrogs. There were so many snakes, like you can't count them. There were so many snakes. And we saw buffalo, and there was a little like a township, like a house area there. It was really cool. And you know, it was really interesting. And we did do just over 6 miles of hiking yesterday on the trails. We think we covered almost all of the trails. I know there's a couple that we probably didn't do, but we did do like bigger loops around. So we did see, you know, quite a bit of it. We probably should have gone earlier so we could see more of it. For us, 2 adults and a small child, they charged us $16 to get in. Parking was free, but it was about an hour's drive to get down there. So keep in mind, you know, it's not free. And they want you to wear a face mask on the boardwalks and places where there might be other people. There's a restroom kind of near the front. There are park benches and some really neat areas. Anyway, I'll let you watch the video and you can see for yourself there. Alright, here we go. Alright, Armand Bayou Nature Center. We've walked about 1/3 of a mile down. We are at this building. On the other side is the trailhead. So it looks like 4 trails going off from here. This is a map area. Restaurants here. We each have our day packs on today, and we're out for at least a 5-mile journey. There's my Miss Pebbles.
Where's my soldier?
And she's using this day pack. Turn around, babe. Can I show her day pack? She's using this day pack today. We've just got our light jackets on. This one does have a chest strap, although it's a little big on her. It should stay on better, and she's getting bigger, so I think she's fine with this. And it's not very heavy. There's not very much in it.
My birthday is on April.
I don't say that. So it does, and she is carrying the cook pot, and that's probably about...
What is it?
That's probably about the only thing that's in her backpack. We are carrying enough
Where is the cook pot? Where is it?
water for all of us.
Where
It's inside your backpack, babe. And
that is really neat.
yeah, we're about to go and check out the trails.
Very
Seems like there are a lot of signs here telling us which way to go. And it should be fine. We just made it to the restrooms.
sweet.
We're about to go check out the trails.
Oh man, I can't believe there's a pocket knife in here.
Alright,
And another flashlight just in case I need another.
take it down the trail. Alright, here we go.
Oh, Lordy. Oh, Ladybird Trail and the short loop.
Oh, now we've got a decision to make.
Hold on, I got an idea. I'm gonna.
Show them the sign, babe.
It looks like there's just a way back to where we came from, so we should take this one.
Yeah, I think we should go this way.
Idea. I think this is our main one, Ladybird.
Yeah.
It looks like we're going in a cave.
It looks like we're going straight into the pond.
Pond?
Huh?
What pond?
Oh man.
I don't see any pond.
Drama.
Looks like we're going
Thanks
to
for
the
buying
side.
though. Take it in. I thought it was gonna be free. I mean, I expected that maybe they would card us, but I also thought it was gonna be free initially. Thank God there's free parking. Thank God. It's less than rest. That one.
On the way back from my sister's house.
Oh really? That was that much money?
Yeah, that was. I don't remember how much it was.
We're going into a cave.
No kidding.
It looks like a cave of trees.
Hey, she was telling me that Sierra is married.
I'm making a video.
Was.
I'm making a video.
She did. She's not married?
I'm making a video.
Oh,
Okay, babe, we'll be quiet.
you had that ATV?
No, that's.
Can I get Angela a
That's my
small
sister's
water
boyfriend.
engine?
Um,
Small water engine
Some
for her
trees.
for her 6th birthday. A little one you can use with the motor engine, with gas powered. So I found some new ones. Let me show you.
We're gonna leave it at my sister's house.
No, I'm gonna leave it somewhere, but we're gonna check it out. Yeah, and then she has one. You know what I mean? So here we go. Ones that I found so far.
Yeah, but I don't have a truck.
No, I have one. It's a tiny one. Check it out. See the one. I'm just gonna show you. I haven't bought anything yet. But check it out. Starting with this one.
Everything to show you.
This is one of them.
There's a big one. Looks like we're going into a cave now. Another cave. Look at that. Anyways.
Come here.
What?
Don't get
What?
ahead of- Anyway, the point is I already found some of them. I'm trying to
Okay, they're telling you to stop.
Then you gotta be super careful. You gotta have a helmet so you don't kill yourself.
Pretty. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I
It keeps
can
going
see it.
farther and farther back in.
Oh yeah, I see it.
See it?
And then mention when I get my
That's
boat,
what all of
because
these
I'm trying to get one,
caterpillars are gonna look like.
you can go to a lot of people, huh?
That's what all these caterpillars are gonna look like.
Once I buy my boat,
Butterflies.
once I buy my boat, Angela, because I really want to get one soon. Get my degree, I'm almost done. Almost done. I'm enrolled. I'm almost done.
It looks
From my
like
last
we're going
last
in
night
a
credits
cave.
and get an AS. I'm trying to get a real job.
I'm making a video.
I'm gonna buy a boat.
I'm making a
You can
video.
go to the water.
I'm making a
Yeah.
video.
Let's be quiet so she can make the video.
Anyway.
Whoa. And then there's one butterfly over here. She's following us. Butterfly. For your bullets. Let me get some now. You'll see some caterpillars. I'll show you some caterpillars.
There you
One,
go.
like it's well. Anyways. The spider webs. Anyways, so looks like it's coming towards trail.
Anyway, when I write pictures like that, when my dad gets married,
It looks like a
he's
trail.
gonna get married with the
To take
wife.
us to, because it is a
They're gonna go
trail.
out to a lake in a community
Anyways,
where
so he has
Anna
Mama
lives.
and
Anna's
my
his
dad.
niece.
She's talking!
Yeah, we can invite the barbecue, but it's not church, it's just a cookout at her house. And they have a nice little residential community with a big lake and a nice place to do it. Her husband has a lot of money. He made like more than $1 million
For this
in
whole
like less than
day.
a year. He makes like more than $1 million in less than a
We
year.
saw
like,
some
certain amount of money.
snakes
Like,
and some
my dad's side of
catfish
the family also like, they kind of
and some bugs.
And like, he actually has contracts with Lowe's and Home Depot. What they do is they
There's
design
so much more to this
cabinets and
world,
stuff
just
that
like the
Lowe's and Home
release
Depot
before.
Lowe's and Home Depot sells them
Then,
to people, and they buy their cabinets. So it's
and
that.
then,
So that's like the contract he has out with Lowe's and Home Depot. He makes
keep
the money
going
that way.
and going.
My cousin,
Take it out of the drum.
that's how they're making money. Here in Houston, you can go out to that area
Squirrels are
and stay
here.
at go to the barbecue,
Everything is
in the
here.
park, you know?
There's the
And like,
jungle
inside the
stuff
community.
or something.
If you want to go get
Tree is pretty good. I like it here.
we'll pick it up. But it's not also for burying that day. They're not the actual marriage and like that. I went to court with them all this stuff to go get the marriage thing signed off on. But just to go get that thing to eat. It's not like they're gonna bash anything. It's just you. It's just you. You know,
More
it's just
my stuff
it's just
following
like
us. What's going
But-
on?
you have to
Anyways.
throw it out
Looks like we're still in a tree cave. Someone chopped that tree. Look at that. Huh?
Wait.
Yeah. Okay. I'll go back. Okay, now we're going for. Look at the way this jumped. Now we're taking.
Here, they found the silk one.
Oh my gosh. You can see everything. A lot of tours. But some monsters don't exist. And they're a real money. Did we bring any snacks?
Hmm?
Did we?
Yeah, I have the sweet and sour. The sweet and sour soup in my backpack. You want some of that? You sure?
No.
Okay. Just let me know. I have the sweet and sour soup, and you got the steak finger and the toast with the fries in there. Put away. And you got the yogurt, your prune yogurt. You see that yogurt?
I think it's on the other side.
This is the one that's gonna make your stomach feel better so you don't poop and badly, Angela. The prune with cereal. Here, drink some of it. Come on, that's probiotic.
She's the one right now. Here, put it back.
This is the only way you're gonna heal. Come on. Kosher, come on. You gotta have a kosher diet. That's why you're staining whenever you go to the bathroom. Everybody has that problem.
This is Amy.
You gotta have eggplant, you know, grapes, stuff like that.
The leaves
Mommy's
of the
making some really
trees.
good stuff to go back to the
Okay.
So, Omar, American, that's all they do. They eat.
Yeah, that's it. Yep, that's it.
Careful, babe. Oh, it is kind of steep. She just told me it's steep.
Wow, this is
Whoa.
hot.
Babe, careful.
This is awesome.
I've already like stumbled twice. There's a bench right here.
Wow.
Wow, this is awesome. I thought it went farther down. Oh my gosh. We're like really close to the water. This is so cool. I don't know how you got down here.
Wow.
We need a.
Oh, there's a
You wanna
bench
sit
over
on
there
the
too.
edge here with me, Angela? So tranquil. This is the spot.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna sit
Oh,
down.
snakes here. You gonna sit on that one?
Yep. Yep.
Come, watch your step, babes. Come back over here and sit by me. Here, you want my hand?
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, if you go down there, it's really wet and squishy right there.
Yeah.
Up here it's drier. Wow. Looks like a dam or a
Alexander.
water ramp over there.
Wow. Look at those trees over there.
Hey, Miss Amy, you gotta try this sweet and sour soup.
Oh, not
It
right
was
now.
Perfect. It was the right amount of mushrooms in there.
Man, mushrooms.
Oh, mushrooms. You know what? I got some dried mushrooms. They're so good. I think they're in my
Tell
backpack.
me about them. I saw them. Remember that?
Oh, you saw them?
Yeah.
Oh man, I finally opened the package. They're so good. Put them in a little bit of those rice dish, that nor rice dish. Oh man, just like 4 or 5 of them. It's so good.
I want to look what's in my backpack.
Esto.
All right, sit over here on the bench, babe.
Okay. I just don't want anything to actually fall off.
Everyone wants to check out what they've been carrying around in their backpacks. Surprise backpack.
Here it is.
Oh, I don't want it right now.
Oh, Angela, you want to try the sweet and sour soup? This is
Yeah.
such a beautiful sweet and sour soup.
No.
Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour soup. I'm just that right there.
This
That's bug spray, babe.
Can I have some more of those goldfish?
Yeah.
says
Sweet and
Let
sour
me
soup.
put my
All right, I'm gonna put it right here, Angela. Ready? Oh, thanks.
waist hiking thing back on.
I'm gonna put it right here.
I haven't worn that in a while. I'll show you later. Oh, he found his knife in his backpack.
Put it
Do I
right-
have a knife?
No, ma'am. You're too small.
Sorry.
That's my rule that everyone has a flashlight and a knife.
Oh, that's right.
But she's too small. She doesn't have a knife in her backpack yet. But I probably have 2 in mine.
No, you're good.
All right, that's it for
You're
now.
good. Ready?
Okay, we just came from that way. We are walking across this open meadow here, but the woods are on the left, so it's just, we're walking right on the
Thank you.
line by the
Give me
trees.
this. Perfect. I love how
This
it's
is
yellow
alright.
in the center. And I love how it has that pollen right there with the nectar. That is the Torah right there. The Pocovila right here. This Junior. I don't see it. Wonder what that was gonna be. I see. Wonder where this meadow. Wow, look at that fire.
A butterfly!
See the butterfly, sweetie?
Right there!
Oh, nice.
Oh, now I see it.
Oh, monarch
Right
butterfly.
there!
It's pretty.
Yeah,
It's
those go all the way back to
orange.
Michoacán, ¿no, Angela? Those are nomadic to Michoacán, back over here. All the way to Michoacán and then all the way back to San Diego. Wow, look at this, that lake.
Oh, there's a
I said
leg
we-
right
I
there.
said we crossed this meadow. I said we crossed this meadow, Angela, and go see if we can go to the other side of that lake.
Yeah, I don't think so. That doesn't sound like a good idea.
Bad idea.
Oh, there's another butterfly. Alright. That's it for now. Okay, we made it to the top of this, whatever it's called here. And now, there's a trail that we didn't go down. There's a lake back over there.
And
The steps we
Tiny
came
over
up, we
there.
went that way right there. But I think we're going to continue the way that we were
Let's
going.
get in over there.
And I think there's another side to this park that we're gonna do.
Huh?
And then we're gonna go down this bridge right here. It might be the wrong way, but we're gonna check it out. Alright. Here we go. Okay, we were just right there. That's the last video spot. And now we're going this way. What was that?
It was just me.
Oh, he jumped. It sounded like really bad. There's a landing here with a sitting area on bench. And we're continuing down this way. Oh, this is like the front where we started. We're coming out from the other way, I think. There's a lot of people here, Jade, doing the trail like we are. Yeah, this is, we went in from the other way, but this is right where we went in. Well, the other side, like over there somewhere. I was thinking maybe. I could be completely wrong. No, this is a totally different area. Windmill. Oh, you got an orange flower. Oh, what is that? It looks like a water pump.
We're not.
Oh, we just came upon a little homestead. Looks like a stable over there. Horse stable over there.
Oh, barbecue pit.
I don't know what this blue
What the
thing
heck
is
is
right
that?
here.
Oh, that's a pump.
That's like
You can pump well water.
a grill or a
A lot of well water.
yeah, it's a grill. See, there's a
Come
chippy there.
Exit over here.
That's a water pump there.
on.
Oh, cool! Look at the sign here. There's another little flower right here. Okay, this is what it says. I gotta watch my step. I just stumbled really bad. Twisted both ankles. Alright. Discovery Trail Loop Farmhouse, Plaza Platform, Maze Pond, Environmental Learning Center, restrooms, and exit. We were by the restroom area. It says Martin's Farm, sponsored by Shell Deer Park. Oh, it says Sugar Lane Express.
Emerson Sloan.
I want to go see what it says on this building. Oh, that's
You wanna go this way?
like a barn. Oh, it says Hay Barn.
Yeah, I think a picture of you
They don't have to follow me, just wait for me. Or it says Carpenter Shop. That's pretty cool. I want to go to the front.
Stand right there. Right there.
Me and Miss Babe switched up our
Right there, right there.
water bottle situation. This is Black Man Shop. Oh, this is really cool. They've got signs everywhere. Have a blacksmithing class. Are you done with the picture? You sit around the barn there.
That was a pretty good one. What the? Look at these horses over here they kept.
This is pretty cool. This door's open.
That's an old school water tank. Look at outhouse over there. Just the other entrance.
Nah, it's not gonna open.
And look.
I want to kind of go to the front. Oh, there's where you put your animal, your horse, back in there. It's really small, but what you gonna do, right? Alright. There's a glove there.
The tack room. And then they have a milking shed over there next to the tack room. The cows will be right there.
Well, this is a very small building, and it's very full of stuff. Oh, this is for some kind of smaller animal that will fit into that thing there. Probably a sheep or a cow or a cow. A pig. Probably pig. My guess. Oh, it says tack room right there. I don't know what that means. Ah, I don't want to step on anything. Okay. That's the little house right here. Okay, guys, which way are we going?
Hey, I want to go back down to the water, but let's look at the rest of this other part.
Okay. Oh, look, there's a house over there. This is has curtains on the inside. Oh. Right there. Birthing shed. For the animals. Hopefully. Alright, we're gonna come back this way in a minute. We're just gonna go back this way and check out these horse stables. Alright. I think that whole video that I just recorded is not on there.
Man, look at these mussels.
He says he saw an alligator go that way. Not too close, babe.
Catfish in this pond.
But I want to get off. It's kind of deep to it.
Yeah, that's dangerous. Don't get on there, baby. It's a filled maze pond.
Hey, I want to sit in the shade.
Hey, next cover of
There's a
Country Style
house.
magazine is right here. So underrated.
Oh yeah, that's so pretty.
Sit in the shade.
More room to go back the other way. I think it ends right there.
Trail. This Amy actually leads this way.
Oh, you think it continues on that way? Okay, we'll go that way. Okay, it does continue this way. The way that he saw. I'm afraid it's gonna open up into that field and connect with that trail that we didn't do. But look. There's 2 benches and a table right here. It's a pretty neat place to sit and eat. I'm right behind you, babe. Oh, this is the end, huh?
Yeah, but
See, we have reached the end.
What?
Alright, I'm gonna go take a picture of the end. And then I'll be right there. This is it. This is the end. The end of the thrill. Right into the water. Okay. Babe, I'm right behind you. This one. Oh, babe, show them how you did your water bottle. See, she got her bottle there hanging from her.
Ah,
That's right.
spider web!
It's okay, sweetikins. And her handkerchief goes in the backpack already. I'll hang it on the side. And she can wipe her nose if she needs to. Nice as a shirt.
Now here we go.
This is a nice spot here.
Daddy.
There's your tent. I don't know what they're talking about. Oh, we're gonna go on. I thought that was just a pallet. These are marble benches, guys. is where I videoed before, and it didn't work. It didn't take. I want y'all to see this. There's the outhouse there, benches, benches, door. Come on, babe. That's the video that I made before. It didn't take. Boats. Right, and that's the end. That's a private area. So funny. We might go check out that buffalo thing there. Okay. That's it. We walked back around. You're quiet. Mm-hmm. Oh, I see one slivering across the water right there.
Don't touch that. Really? Stop. So you
That's
stop.
right there. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of snakes in there.
Oh, the bullfrog's still here?
Big frog.
Right there. He just turned around. I don't know. Come here, put that down now.
We came from that way. We are at the boathouse. This is the water. So pretty. And here is the boathouse.
Wait. Don't sit there yet.
Oh, I wonder why this is here. Because people
Like a bigger boat. They could probably back up like a bigger boat to that, and then you can get out. I don't know. Get out of the boat and get in from there. If you have steps or something. I don't know. But that's for a smaller boat there. Looks like it may or may not. I don't know. That's what it is.
Dad, can you do this for me?
What? What is it?
That glaze is on the top.
Why the hell is there a parking lot over there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the
Parking lot?
the complex, the sports complex.
What parking
This is a
lot?
sport. That's a sport complex over there.
I need to go to the party.
So do I. We're gonna go back to the
When we
bathroom
go
over
back
there.
that way, y'all gotta do it. Do it to it. Okay. Sit for now. This is a really cool area we found. We came from this way, some kind of little trail, I don't know what it is, and we found this. It's like benches and tables. It's really cool. There was a sign here. I don't know what it is. I don't know. This is a really neat area. This girl was tossed her backpack down,
He's dead. See that?
and it's right by the water.
He stepped in the
Opens
water
out
with
the
my
water
left,
here.
left shoe.
Oh,
Crab.
can I see it?
I don't need to do that, but
He found a
it's
crab.
not too dirty though.
Wow. Just come all the way right out to the water. It's not even.
Damn it, what the hell is this thing? Can't move it.
We didn't even have to go down a bunch of stuff to get to the
God damn
water.
it. I got my socks
Came
open.
right out to the water.
It could have been worse, I guess.
Got him some new shoes there. And he neglected to get ultras.
Yeah, actually, someone gave them to me.
Oh, someone gave him the shoes.
Somebody gave them to me.
This water looks so interesting.
Thank goodness.
What's that?
Water smells a lot cleaner than sewage water.
Yeah, it does smell pretty clean.
It smells like made by a lot of sewage water. Better than nothing.
Some of these rocks are like green. That's so cool. Who threw that?